Welcome to livetutelage.com, best e-learning portal for IIT JEE, NEET and Foundation. Memory is the faculty of the mind by which information is stored and retrieved. A strong memory depends on the health and vitality of your brain. One of the biggest fears every student has as they enter the exam hall is that their mind will go blank and they will suddenly forget every last thing they know. Improving your memory is easier than it sounds. Here are the few tips which may help you stay mentally sharp. Understanding and remembering. Focus on understanding the concepts than cramming them. Whatever you read in the books or teacher teaches in the class, try to grasp the concepts. If you have any question, never hesitate to ask from teachers, colleagues or friends. It will help you better understand the concepts and interlink the informations. Revision of the facts is as much as important as understanding. Therefore, make sure whatever you have learnt in the class or through books, you revise the whole content at the end of the day or before going to bed. Next step is get organized. The biggest enemy of strong memory is disorganization. List the general idea of the textbook material, note down the simple to complex and general to specific facts. Logical facts are easier to remember. Next step is physical exercise. While mental exercise is important for brain health, that does not mean you never need to break a sweat. It's been proven that exercise can boost your memory and brain power. 20 minutes walk before the exam can improve your performance. Next up is proper relaxation. Eating proper food, avoiding caffeine before an exam, and getting proper exercise will help you relax and feel more confident. Next up is read out loud. You are 50% more likely to remember something if you read it out loud instead of simply reading it over and over. Therefore, to learn faster, have a practice of reading out the notes loud. Teach what you have learned. It is well said that to teach is to learn twice. The best way to test if you really understand something is to try to teach it to someone else. Next step is create pictures. Draw diagrams. Make up tree diagrams will help you to visualize information which would be hard to describe. Next step is write it down. Writing notes to yourself help us to remember. If we write down an idea or passage several times, we increase our chances to remember. Next step is take regular study break. You need to take regular study breaks to help your brain absorb more information. Take a regular short break after 45 to 50 minutes study. Review notes on daily basis. Studies prove that in order to store information long term, it must be reviewed within 24 hours or less. By getting in habit of same day review, we increase the chances of remembering by over 70%. Keep a positive attitude. Studies prove that if you repeat to yourself negative feeling about a subject, you increase your chances to fail. Since we all want to succeed, trash negative and replace it with positive thoughts. Next step is practice test questions. Practicing past papers is an essential part of preparing for your actual exams. It is a great way to revise the syllabus you have learned. It trains your brain to recover the information instantly. It also improves your time management skills, gets a feel for sitting in exams, and refines your exam answering skills. Next step is don't stay up all night before an exam. When you sleep, your brain assimilates the information you have learned when studying, so getting a good night's sleep will help you remember. Thank you. For more updates on IIT JEE and NEET exams 2017, please subscribe to our channel to get lot of updates. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.